As an event organizer, I have so much on my plate and so many details to attend to.
We had a very glitchy experience with our last production team, and we chose to switch to We Goliath and give them a shot and had the best experience.
And working with We Goliath made the whole process for our virtual summer event so much easier. Their attention to details, specifically in the pre-planning process, was amazing. Nothing went unchecked. Every detail was looked at.
So it was seamless. We felt very supported. Having somebody moving in and out of the sessions just to be double check, having 2 green rooms, that worked very well for us. We were very, very, very happy.
My favorite part of working with We and Goliath was just how quick they were to answer my many, many questions about all of the technology that we were using. So I really appreciated that, and I felt very comfortable in my sessions because someone from We and Goliath would always be there to check in. So I never felt like I was floating alone on an island. I felt like they were there with me throughout the conference, and that made all the difference.
And during the event, having them on our team was biggest blessing because they were there to attend to every little glitch that happened, and I didn't have to worry, and I could basically just enjoy our event.
I think the attendees liked the process. They thought it was like fun and exciting. The vibe was more fun just because it's a completely different platform. I think that kind of makes it feel like you're actually at an important event, not just your run-of-the-mill kind of thing.
But what they really, really, really liked was the interaction. They were all about the chat. This was the first time that we saw them every single session. They were just, I don't know, it just had a really good vibe about it.
For a lot of conference types things that are virtual, you don't get that opportunity to network in that way. So I think it was very exciting for them to be able to actually sit down and network virtually. It was fun for them to go into the coffee lounge. I think all of the little names and a kind of fun pizzazz made it a lot more of an exciting experience for our members. A lot of people really like the speed networking once they got used to it.
Their team is reliable, smart, comforting. They made our conference so much easier. And best thing I can say is it was seamless, no hiccups, which makes for a great conference experience for our staff and our members. Highly recommend them.
So thank you, We and Goliath.
We love it. We'll definitely work with you guys again.